Hello everyone, we are Santa's Little Helper and this is our submission for the Sitecore Hackathon 2019. The category we have decided is Best Enhancement to the Sitecore Admin XP for content editors and marketers. We have been waiting a way to manage buckets. That's why our module is called Bucket Manager, and this tool will let content authors know how many buckets the site has, and they will be able to see and manage any item that is a bucketable item. So let's go. Uh, Let me log in. I will go to desktop, and first I will show you how basic structure is our site, where we usually have bucket folders. So for instance, we have a global folder and usually we'll have a repository of authors where you need to navigate through all these bucket folders to see or to try to find an author, or you can always use the search functionality that comes out of the box with Sitecore. So in this case I will try to find one, and there you go. So this is fine, this is cool, but let's say we need to find other items or to see all my bucket folders, and I would like to identify which items are bucketables. So what I will do in this case, let me show you another example. Is for instance product. We have a product like a landing page, but it also store or host product pages. So this is like the the default behavior of a bucket folder and a bucketable item. So this product page, as you might see, is a bucketable and will be stored in this structure. Okay, and here we have all the information of the product. As I mentioned, you can also use, you can always use the search functionality. So you can find like for instance, product 2. There you go. I know this is cool, but it's tedious if you want to see all your product items within the bucket folder. So uh, that's why we created a module called Bucket Manager. If you go to the startup menu, you will see a new option here. This is the Santos Little Helper Bucket Manager module that uh, will make your life easier. So here you will have listed in tabs or your bucket folders within your site, or a specific folder that you configure. Um, so in this case, we are managing the Sitecore content folder, and it will look through all the children to see which items are bucket folders. In this case, we have these three. So for instance, we have products, articles, authors. We have these authors, for instance, and products. Okay. It also will show you, no matter if it's an image field, a generic link, or a multi-list, it will show you, for instance, in this case, will show you the item name. If it is a multi-list, if it's an image, it will show you an image. If it is a checkbox, you will see true or false. It also identifies it if a field type is a date time or only a date, uh, like this way. For instance, in this case, articles have an author field which is a drop link of authors, and as you can see, you will see the list, the item name here. Okay, this window will let the content author to also edit directly the fields that you are seeing here. So for instance, let's say I will update this Sitecore Hackathon article to like this time. Okay, and there you go. So you will see the changes reflected right away. Let's say you will update it directly using the content editor. Let me go to the articles. Okay, I will select, for instance, this article page 1. I will change this like new. I will save it. If I click reload, I will see this change immediately. You can also publish it. So if you want to publish this item, you can do it, and it will send you a message, and that's it. Your item and your changes will be published to the website, to the website and to the web database. As you can see here, you won't see the standard fields uh, that comes from the standard template. But you can also see that if I create a new template, for instance, let me go to feature. I will create a new template here, like a featured article. Okay, okay, close. I will put article data. Okay, article data. I will add a checkbox here. Okay, and then to the article, I will add this template as a base template. Okay, so this article page will inherit from article and feature article. I will save it. Okay, if I refresh it, you will see that this new column is here. And if I click edit this way, you will see all these fields here. I will update from here. Okay, and then if I go to the item within the tree node, you will see that this field is updated. So this is a cool tool that will let the content authors to see all their bucket folders, all their bucketable items, and it's easy to manage. So we are planning for future releases to make it work with workflows, and also the ability uh, to to publish all the items that were edited with just one click. So this is our module. I hope you like it, and I will provide it, and we will provide all the documentation and all the packages so you can install on your Sitecore instance and you can try it. Thank you.